This plugin adds a virtual try-on feature to your WordPress online store. It supports many types of products, including clothing, jewelry, shoes, hats, glasses, and even furniture. The plugin is built as an extension for WooCommerce, so before installing it, make sure WooCommerce is already installed on your WordPress website. Now, go to the Plugins page and click Upload Plugin. Select the plugin installation file, upload it, and then activate the plugin. That's it. The plugin is now installed. Next, click WooCommerce, then go to Settings. On the Settings page, click the Products tab, and then select the Virtual Try-On sub-tab. This is the global settings page for the plugin. First, we need to connect the AI service. For the provider, select CI Universal X. You only need to enter your API key. The other options can stay at their default settings. Click Get a Key Free. This will open Theminatech, a website that provides AI tools for e-commerce images, as well as an API forwarding service. You can register for free and receive 150 credits, which is enough for around 3 to 5 generations. After registration, copy your API key and paste it into the plugin settings page. You can also click Test Connection. If you see a success message, it means the AI service is connected and working correctly. Don't forget to check the Enable Virtual Try-On option. You can also set daily generation limits for logged-in users and guest users, then click Save Changes. Next, let's enable Virtual Try-On for a product. Open a product for editing and click the Advanced tab. Check Enable Virtual Try-On, then select the category that matches the current product. In this example, we'll choose glasses. If your product type is not available in the category list, you can select Auto instead. Now, let's visit the product page on the front end and test the try-on feature. Simply upload a photo of a person, or take a photo directly, then check the consent box and click Generate. The generation usually takes around 1 to 2 minutes. Once it's finished, the virtual try-on image will appear, and that's the basic installation and setup process for the plugin.